Welcome to Optimum Forex Trading. I'm here just to entertain you and not to provide any financial, investment or trading related advice. This is just my trading journal and I come here to analyze my trades, maybe take a few trades, post them and then use the videos to backtest and improve on my strategy. Today is Saturday, the 23rd of September 2023. And the markets are closed for the week, and I'm here just to do my review real quick. Okay, I'm on the monthly chart, and looking at the monthly, I can see that price has been strongly bearish, drawing towards this swing low. If it closes below this swing low, it might be trying to reach this swing low. That's if this BC is not respected. Let me just open these and see if I mark them. Yep. All right. So this BC could be the next draw on liquidity for the months ahead. And then just dropping down to the weekly. So I'm still quite bearish on cable, but let's look at price on the weekly time frame. So this swing low here was traded through. I think I actually marked this level. My last week video should have this level. I took it off just this morning, but this level was my draw on liquidity for the month of September, and price has actually blown through that level and created a very strong bearish candle. So I am presuming that price is on its way to reprice this BC. And if it trades below it, it could be going for this level that I indicated on the monthly. I am, however, mindful that we are approaching the final week of September. So price could, instead of maybe coming up to reprice this gap that it created between last week and this week's price action, it could see the first few days of next week trade lower first to create the low of the month, and then start working its way up to create the close of the month. And then maybe beginning of October it will come up, create the high of the month, and then continue bearish and create the low of October. All right, and then looking at the daily time frame. Right. Yes, I just looking at this price action again. If you look at Thursday's price action and Friday's price action, it didn't create a gap between price here. It was filled, meaning Friday traded within Thursday's candle. So it could be possible that price Monday or Tuesday could start off by drawing a little bit lower, before then maybe start making its way up from Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, so it could create the close of the month. It's actually quite possible. So let me put these in again so we can see the levels. Okay, so anyways, just real quick, for this coming week, I am still bearish. If the market gives me a chance to trade on Tuesday, because I don't trade Mondays, if the market gives me a chance to trade in on Tuesday, I'm still looking for bearish entry to create the low of the month, and then I'll be out of the market. Meaning, if I get a chance on Tuesday between 3 and 4 a.m., which is my kill zone entry criteria, if I get that entry, I will enter for maybe a 1 to 2, and then I'm out of the market then. If I don't, I'll let the price run, and then I'll have to look at it maybe from Wednesday to see if I want to trade or not. So meaning I might be sitting on the sidelines again the following week. I don't know. Everything will be dependent on how Monday is going to paint. But this is just a brief overview of my analysis on cable for the coming week. I would like to see bearishness within my time frame on Tuesday, just for a pyramid entry, because I still have my position entry open. And I also will not move my position entry because the stop loss, I won't move it. It's still here, because next week or next month rather might maybe come to retest or reprice these areas that it left open. Because if you see here, this price leg, this CB was repriced same day, and this bearish price leg was also repriced same day, but this Wednesday CB with this order block and this CB were not repriced. They were left open for a reason, and market could try or could want to gravitate towards this at the beginning of October before making its way down. So if I move my stop loss, I could get stopped out on its way up before my challenge has been passed. So just real quick, see on this one, my equity is still 513. I don't know how it will be by Tuesday, and I need to get to a target of $800. And this one, these are my actual demo accounts. And then this one, just give it a moment for network to catch up. Network is a bit slow where I am, but it will catch up very quickly. Right, there we go. This one, I'm on 658. We'll see how price will be like on Tuesday, because my target for this is $800. So if I reach target on these, either this account or this second account, I'm ignoring this one because it's a competition. So at the end of September, I'll be out of the competition anyway. So those are not my accounts because I didn't pay for them, but I paid for these two. So if this one gets to $800 by Tuesday, BFP will take me out. And if this one doesn't by Tuesday, I'll still be in the trade. So I don't want to risk putting my stop loss a little bit lower, being taken out, price coming up to retest this zone or reprice this zone, then going back down. I don't mind leaving it until my profit target is reached. Okay, that's it, I think, for next week. Let's just take a look at Euro. Let's go on the monthly real quick, because I don't want to make this a long video. Okay, so looking at this on the monthly, again, as you can see, Euro had a very strong bearish close in August, and September is also quite strongly bearish, maybe trying to reach for this level of liquidity and this level, or trying to reprice this BC. If it does and continues on down, it could be coming towards this. So I'm also bearish on Euro, though I don't trade it, but I believe we are also going down on Euro, which then confirms my cable bias as bearish. Euro did close below the swing low. It could be trying to reach for this relative equal low level, this order block, then maybe this BC, and if it continues down, maybe the swing low. This will take a long time to happen. So it's just a rough summary. But basically what it means is with Euro, I am still quite bearish, though like cable, we're approaching the last week of the month. It could see a few bearish days, first bearish days, and then start working its way up to create the close of the month, maybe work its way up for the high of October before going back down. And then US 100, almost same scenario, very strong bearish rejection on its way maybe to reprice this BC, and if it continues bearish, it's probably going for this swing level, liquidity area, and maybe this swing level, and maybe down. Again, we play it by ear and we see how price paints as the days progress. US 500, just as similar to US 30, we are actually in the BC. So if price closes below this BC, maybe September, October, it could be drawing towards this swing low or this swing low. We play it by ear. But the long and short of it is I am strongly bearish on cable, and Euro has confirmed my bearish bias. So is US 100, so is US 500. And DXY should then be bullish, and voila, it is. It looks very strongly bullish to come to repricing this CB in the next coming months. If it does reprice the CB and looks like it's strongly bullish, it's probably going up past this swing high and it's on its way up, because these are, if let's take a look at this on the monthly, this level here didn't close above this level, so we could be trying to go above this swing high. So that's in the 120 range. Just look at price here, 120 range, because we've got a relative equal highs here. So it's possible that DXY is trying to go and take the buy stops that are resting above here and go above these relative equal highs. It's possible. We play it with, yeah. Okay, we analyze per week and we trade per day. We also analyze trade per day, which is, we don't trade Friday, we don't trade Monday. We look for setups Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. If we don't get setups between those 3 days, we don't trade that week. It really is that simple. If we do trade and get setups, we trade, we use a 20 pip stop loss, and that's it to it, really. There's nothing much. Okay, so I've been talking now, I think, for more than 10 minutes, and I think that's enough for my analysis for the following week. I will see you on Tuesday. I won't record on Monday because I'm not trading, so there's no need for me to be in the market. I didn't record yesterday, which was Friday, because again, I wasn't trading, so there's no need for me to be in the market. And as you can see, I just have one trade open. Let me go to history. My last entry was on when is this? Was on the 13th actually, sorry, because I closed this after this one was taken out. So my last entry was on the 13th, and I haven't traded since. So I wait for setup. It's really as simple as that. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you next week.